Are you looking to install handles on a cabinet? This video is going to go over the basic steps to go ahead and install handles on a cabinet, whether if it's in a laundry room, a kitchen, or even a bathroom vanity. These are the tools that you're going to need: cabinet handle installation template, a drill with a drill bit, a screwdriver, a pencil, and painter's tape. That's it. That's going to be able to let you go ahead and install handles like these, and I'm going to show you the process how to do it. So let's get to work. So the first thing I like to do before I start anything is make sure that my doors are aligned correctly. There's an even gap in the middle. In this case, the bottom half is a little bit wider than the top half. So I am gonna have to open these up and adjust the hinges. Now that the cabinet is adjusted, everything is perfect, everything lines up, we're able to go ahead and get the handle installed. Next up, I'm gonna take painter's tape and I'm gonna protect the face of the cabinet so that way when we drill, there's gonna be no issues with chipping or ruining the wood. Doesn't have to be perfect, just enough that's gonna protect it. You're gonna take the template, you're gonna place it on the door. You're gonna find out what holes you like to place it on and where your handle placement will be. And I found out exactly where I would like it. So I'm gonna mark it with a pencil. Double check it. Make sure it's the right holes. Looks good to me. Grab your bit. If you get this kit, there's a drill bit that comes with it, which is nice. And make sure that it's sitting flush on the right side and flush on top. Hold it in place, find the hole, and then find the second hole. Now, you could drill all the way through if you'd like to. I normally just take it off and I can go ahead and finish drilling. Make sure it is gonna go in evenly. All right, and we're gonna repeat the process on the opposite side. So all you have to do is flip this over. Again, make sure it's flush on the left side and flush on top. We know these are the two holes that I'm gonna go ahead and drill through. So you could mark it with a pencil or go ahead and drill. I like to take off the template. We can go ahead and remove the tape. Just tighten it down enough. You don't have to overdo it. There you have it. Really simple to do. Again, they're always gonna line up. Using a template is like a cheat code. You don't have to go ahead and measure it and make sure it gets almost perfect, where when you use a template, it's always gonna be perfect. So I highly recommend it. Again, game changer. We're all set here. What do you guys think? It was real simple to do. They turned out great. Now I don't have to worry about my wife talking to me anymore to get this project done. And I was able to make a video for you guys to watch. I hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and hit the subscribe so you never miss out on my latest content that I will be posting. And as always, guys, stay handy, my friends. I'll see you in the next one.